Hello everybody, sorry about that. I guess when my phone rings my video stops recording and I didn't know it. Anyway, so hopefully I can splice together the first video with this one and upload it all as one. If not, it'll be two separate videos. So I'm sorry, I apologize, but let me go ahead and tell you again, this is an altered Altoid tin that I gessoed, a couple of layers of gesso, and then I covered with, the back side is just paper from the kit. If I hold it here, hopefully that'll be good. And then there's vintage lace around on the bottom and the top. And then again, this is glossy accents, several layers of fabrics and trims and cheesecloth and wadded up thread and muslin to get the shabby look that I love so much. Open it up, and the inside cover again is layered. On the bottom there is Snow Tech with two kinds of German glass glitter mixed in that I added to create the winter look. There's a piece of corrugated cardboard in the back, as well as layered cheesecloth and layered fabrics and lace, and then this paper rabbit in the snow is part of the kit from Artie Mays. And on the inside is another graphic from the kit, as well as more Snow Tech with the glitter all around. This journal was actually in here and tied up, but like I said, I didn't know I was stopped recording. But it just goes in like that, and you got to get everything up and off the edge, and then it's a tight fit. If you want it to close better, you can always make it a little less bulky. And then this closes down, but that's why I tie it with the sari silk so that it doesn't keep popping open, which it could. But anyway, you just pull a little bit and work the journal out. Seam binding is attached by sewing. The little journal is a piece of canvas that I used white gesso on both sides of, and then distressed it with distressed oxide inks. There's several layers of fabric, as well as laces and cheesecloth, and then the paper images. I sewed them all together, and then sewed them to the I sewed the collage together, and then I sewed it onto the book so that there was only one stitching around and not all this other stitching that showed. There's a bulb pin with a little rhinestone heart charm and an old button just sewed here. There's several pieces of lace. This piece here goes all along the back and then kind of goes off the edge. This is muslin and another paper image on top of the cheesecloth. The inside is, again, my dog, I apologize, a pocket, it's owl, and then there's a couple of owl little tags that slide in there. This page is a fabric lace collage, one of the things I have in all my journals. This has lace and some different trims, as well as a little paper squirrel image, bulb pin with an old button, and a heart charm and a feather charm here. And then this side is a pocket. And then the paper's all tea stain in here, and it's either the plain or the lined paper. Here's another pocket with a bunny and some fibers, cheesecloth, and eyelash trim. Just little scraps I had in a pile on my floor or on my desk that ended up on the floor. And here's the deer tag. This is a corner flip and pocket with a tag and also lined backing. Some more paper. Go through this part a little bit quicker, and this also flips down so you can write under as well. It's got an envelope, deer on the top, closes with the little round bunny punch, and then you can put paper in there if you'd like. That goes like that, and she goes back in there. Little piece of paper. Here's a paper bag that's been tea stained. It's gray and cream plaid. It's got a little card in it for journaling or whatever. You can put a little picture on there. Here's another envelope that I have pinned to this paper, and it's got birds on the front, and then there's a little journaling card inside that matches. Here are some more pages. This is the center. This is a side tuck with flags sewn on, and then there's little tickets inside that you can use as tabs or whatever, and then there's some paper to write on as well. There's another little piece of paper, and just have a little collage on there. Just more paper, plain paper. This is the other side of that paper bag, and it's got a journaling card from the kit. And here's another envelope. And then the top is, the pages are a top pocket that you can use as well. Some more paper. Here's another corner tuck collage. It's got, looks like a little teddy bear or a little bear and a little pine cone looking charm. And this is a little tag, double fold tag pamphlet. And more paper. This is a tip-in belly band with a little squirrel and some little tiny journaling cards. And this is a vintage linen napkin, piece of napkin, and it's a belly band, or you can write on it or put something on it, pin something on it if you want. And this is the inside of the back page with another pocket. And there's the back. So I'm going to be making some more of these in the next little while, so stay tuned, and I will be listing them in my Etsy shop. But this one is spoken for, so if not, then it'll be listed as well. If that turns out not to be the case, then this will be listed as well. All right, thank you so much. I'll put links to Artie Mae's and stuff down in the bottom. Again, thank you. Bye.